Okay guys, here is my yummy vegetable soup cooked with fresh pepper, crayfish, cow skin, condiments and some freshly fried beef. This isn't just tasty, it is super healthy too. Fresh beef gives you protein to build strength and energy. Onions and fresh pepper boost metabolism and support digestion, while cow skin provides collagen for healthy skin and joints. Of course, crayfish also gives protein, which helps to repair worn-out tissues and support growth too. Other condiments helps to bring out the aroma of the food and make it look appetizing and inviting. Now let's talk about the fresh vegetables. Of course, you know that vegetables are rich in fiber and help to make you feel full, burn fat naturally, and also support digestion. Eating fresh balanced meal like this is a delicious way to stay fit and live healthy too. One spoon at a time. Guys, come, let's enjoy this together. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming to my channel. This is Ife Health View. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.